Hey everybody, it's me, Tom Angleberger. I'm here today with the creature from the Black Lagoon, and I thought I would show you how to draw the creature. He's a lot of fun to draw because you can't get him wrong. He's always right. Is that right? Yes. How'd you like that puppetry? All right, so here's how we're going to draw the creature from the Black Lagoon. And actually, it's going to end up looking kind of like this, but a little taller, I think. Hey, you'll notice that Y shape up there. That's such an important part of the creature. So think about you're drawing a balloony letter Y. Okay, so just draw that however you want to, wherever you want to. And it can be lots of different versions of that. It doesn't have to be exact. And then you're going to connect this with a loop like that and connect this with a loop like that. That's going to be his eye. And you go ahead and give him some pupils and you can already see his personality starting. Now this one's nose doesn't come down very far, so he's going to be a little different. So after you've drawn the nose there, you're going to draw a line down this way and a line down this way. And that's his big old upper lip. And then draw some fangs, maybe about 4. And then draw a line down under here. And then fill in everything other than the fangs. All right, I'm doing this with a big chunky Sharpie here, and some of these lines could be a little better, but we'll get by. We'll make it. All right, and then draw one extra line that goes just a little bit under that, just to give him a little bit of a lower lip. All right, now his forehead, he's got a really funny forehead. You can draw it lots of different ways. It's basically just an upside down U. You can decide how pointy you want it. And he's got some little wiggle lines here. And now the important thing for him is his gills. He's known as the gill man after all. So you're just going to draw some crazy business here and similar crazy business over here. And then connect them like that. And then you're going to go back and forth like that. All right, we're doing pretty good. I have a little more room in here that I wish. I wish I hadn't had that, but it's a little hard drawing, like little weird drawing like this. All right, let's see how we do now. The great thing about the guy is he doesn't have to be standing. He swims, so his limbs can be anywhere. The only real mistake you can make with his limbs is making them straight. Anytime his limbs look too straight, it doesn't work. This guy's swimming, so let's draw him swimming. Now he's going to have one hand. Okay, and notice I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I drew too many fingers on that one. But it's okay. And then you're going to go back and you're going to web those fingers in like that. All right, let's do another one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And now his legs. I'm running out of room on this paper here. Do you guys mind if I use an extra sheet of paper? Is that cheating? It's kind of cheating. But I ran out of room. Didn't know where this was headed. All right. And so now you're just going to draw a big old leg wherever you want to, really. 1, 2, 3. And another big old leg. 1, 2, 3. Like that. And I always like to make little lines here to show that he's shimmying through the water a little bit. Whoops. Oh, I messed him up. That's what happens when you do this. All right. And now the other thing you need to do to sell this, that he's swimming underwater, just give him some bubbles. You know, I really can't remember. He's got gills. I don't exactly remember if he makes bubbles in the movie or not, but that's all right. He's making bubbles here. All right. So that's it, man. You're done. You can color him in green if you want to or something. I'm gonna draw him a few more times. Oops, excuse me. I'm gonna draw him a few more times with a smaller pen here, and you're welcome to turn this video off and start drawing your own version. But I'm just gonna start goofing around. What I like to do is try to fit a whole bunch of them into a small space. Okay. There we go. All right. All right, let's see. Now, what kind of swimming is this guy going to be doing? Let's see. Maybe he's swimming up. So this one will go down. And let's see here. And then his legs are trailing way back here. And I'll move the bubbles down this way to sort of show that he's going up. Is that how bubbles work? I'm not sure if it is. And the little shimmy lines. All right, and now the fun part, as always, trying to fit another one in here. Let's see here. Start here. Now this guy's going to have a huge nose. Consistency is not one of my strong points. Let's see here. Color this in. Oh, yeah. So what I like about this is you can just keep on drawing. You don't have to have any kind of a plan. Let's see. This guy's swimming. Where's his other arm going to be? I don't know. Oh, I forgot all kinds of stuff. I forgot the webs on the last guy. All right, there's the webs. All right. This guy's kind of jacked up. All right. And here's one of his feet. And sometimes it's fun to just sort of start and then challenge yourself to figure out how you're going to make it all work. Okay. Oops. Put that one down there. All right. Boy, he looks disgruntled. He looks like a disgruntled. I want to try to make one happy. Let's see if I can figure out how to make one that's happy. Let's see here. Let's see. I don't know how we're going to do this. I don't know how to fit this one in. Here we go. Well, I have no idea how we're going to make this work. The one rule is don't squash the gills. They look terrible if you don't get the gills wide enough. So I don't know what this guy is doing. He must be doing, I think he's doing some kind of backflip. Oh my gosh. Well, like I said, you can't go wrong, okay? I said you can't go wrong, but maybe I can go wrong. I think this guy's messed up. That's all right. I don't know what's going on. I don't know where his arms are. Okay. Well, maybe coloring this guy in later will work. There's always that hope. He's doing like a flip in the water there. So I don't even know what that does with his bubbles. All right. Yeah, we should have a few little action lines in here too. All right. Room for one more up here? Yeah, that's the fun part is when you run out of room and you try to squash another one in there anyway. That's probably my favorite part of all this. Let's see if I can draw one upside down. There's the Y. There's the mouth. There's an eyeball. There's the head. Brother. Okay, I won't make this guy. Let's see. Here he goes. He's getting in the way of the other guy's bubbles now. Okay, his legs can't be too long because he's running off the page. Here he is. His other hand will have to be coming. Boy, that's a unusual move, but I guess that's how they get around the lagoon. All right. Oh, there's room for a tiny one here. Should I draw a tiny one? Well, maybe later. So there you go, folks. There's how to draw a creature from the Black Lagoon. I think they look pretty good once they're colored in. Let's see. Just grab a green marker here and see. That's a little darker than I expected. Okay. Yeah, that's too dark. Oh, too dark. What a mess. Okay. Well, let's see where this goes. This is why, if you read my graphic novels, other people have done the coloring. Joey Ellis does the colors for my Two-Headed Chicken, and he does such a great job, and you can see why I don't even try. Okay, what a mess. I just don't have the patience that's required. And I also wish I'd used a colored pencil. But anyway, there you have it. You can do a better job than that, I hope. You can't do a worse one. All right, there he is. There's the old Gill man. I hope you had fun. I hope you try making one. I don't know if I've got instructions for how to make one of these, but it's not that different from an origami Yoda. Just bend those ears in a different direction to get the gills. All right, is there anything else I can tell you? I think everybody's probably turned the video off by now. That's all right. If anybody that's still listening, let me just remind you, you can stop by origamiyoda.com for tons of drawing lessons and origami tutorials. And then when you're done something cool, you can send it in and we'll post it on origamiyoda.com and everybody will get to enjoy it. So I hope you give that a shot. I hope I see you over there. There's also my website for my new book. It's twoheadedchicken.com. And on and on and on. Looking for some of my other videos if you want to hear anything else. Otherwise, I'll say, may the force be with you. That doesn't really work for the creature from the Black Lagoon, does it? I'll think of something better for the next time. See y'all later, everybody.